Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutel Age. So today we are going to see exercise 7.6 in the chapter fraction in your NCERT syllabus of grade 6. Okay, so now we see the first sum. It is having these many till h it is there. We will solve one by one. Okay, you have to solve this. Different denominators are given. So how you will solve, you have to see. So see here, in case of 3 and 7, like the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and it goes on. Okay, so in case of prime number comes as denominator means you need not take LCM because it will not go in any other table. It is only divided by the number itself. Okay, then number itself. So that what you have to do means you have to straightly cross multiply. Okay, now I will cross multiply 7 and 3. So 7 2s are 14, 1 3s are 3, divided by 3 7s are 21. So 14 plus 3 is what? 17. 17 by 21 is your answer. Hope you understand. Now see 10 and 15 it will come LCM. So you take LCM. Excuse me. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Again 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 3. 3 table, 1 1. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 is your LCM. I am erasing the LCM here so that LCM is what? 30. So 3 divided by 10 into what gives you 30? 10 into 3 gives you 30. Here also multiply by 3. 7. 15 into what gives you 30? 2 gives you 30. So here also multiply by 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 14 divided by 30. 14 plus 9, 19. 23 divided by 30 is your answer. Hope you understand. Okay. See the next sum. 9 and 7 will not go in any table, so you can directly multiply. 9 7 or otherwise take it and see, you will again get same only. 3 3s are 9, 7, again 3, 1, 7, 7 table 1 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. I don't know. So instead what you have to do, if it is like this means both the numbers should go in same table, then only you can take LCM. So if it comes like this means you can directly take multiply the two numbers and find that the LCM is 63. So 63. 9 into what gives you 63? 9 into 7. 7 into 9 gives you 63. 9 into 7. Okay. 7 into 9 gives you 63. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 9s are 18 divided by 9 7s are 63. So 8 8 16, remainder 1 2 2 3 4. 46 by 63 is your answer. Hope you understand. Next sum 7 3. Again you can multiply directly. Your LCM is 21. Okay. So 7 into 3, 5 into 3, cross multiply. 1 into 7, 3 into 7. Okay. So 5 3s are 15 plus 7 divided by 21. 15 plus 7 is how much? 22 divided by 21. 22. See, the numerator is high, denominator is low. So this is an improper fraction. Okay. Next one, 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30 is your LCM. So into 6 into 6 into 5 into 5. 2 6 are 12. 12 by 30 plus 5 by 1 into 5 is 5. 5 by 30. So 12 plus 5 it is 17 by 30. Hope you understand. The next sum, 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10 divided by 5 3s are 15. So 12 plus 10 is how much? 22 divided by 15 is your answer. Hope you understand. Next one, which is subtraction. You see here subtraction. In case of subtraction, follow the same method. Instead of addition, you do subtraction. 4 3s are 12. So cross multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 4 divided by 12. 9 minus 4 is what? 5 divided by 12. Okay. Here 6 and 3 it will go. So take LCM. 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2, 1, 1. So LCM is 6. So multiply by 1. Here multiply by 2, that gives you 6. 5 into 1 is 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. So what's your answer? 3 by 6. 5 minus 2 is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 again can be written as 1 by 2. Okay, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Hope you understand. Next one, you have 3 fractions. So what you will do, you take LCM 3, 4, 2. 2 table 3, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Again 2 table 3, 1 1. Again 3 table 1 1 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. Okay. Now 3 into what gives you 12? 3 into 4 gives you 12. 2 into 4. 4 into 3 gives you 12. 3 into 3. Okay, 2 into 6 gives you 12. 2 into 6 gives you 12. Now you have the common denominator 12 and you multiply this. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 6. 8 plus 9 plus 6 is what? I think it's visible, right? Okay. 8 plus 9 plus 6 is what? 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 by 12 is your answer. Hope you understand. Okay, now we will see the next sum. Next sum is also having 3. So you take LCM 2, 3, 6. 2 table 1 2s are 2, 3, 3 2s are 6. Again 3 table 1 1 1. So what's LCM? LCM is 6. Okay. LCM is 6. So multiply 2 into 3, 1 into 3. 3 into 2, 1 into 2. 6 into 1, 6, 1 into 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 6. So 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 6. So your answer is 1. Did you understand? Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sum. See, the next sum is a mixed fraction. Okay. So you have to convert it into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 3. Okay. Improper fraction. Numerator will be bigger than the denominator. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2. 10 11. 11 by 3. So add both. You get 15 by 3. You can simplify 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So your answer is 5. Okay. Now see, take the next sum. That is also mixed fraction. You see here, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3 plus 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. Now the denominators are not same. You have to cross multiply. So that is divided by 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 3 into what gives you 12? 4. 4 into 3 gives you 12. Either cross multiply, otherwise multiply it with the LCM. 14 into 4, how much? 4 4s are 16, balance 1. 1 4s are 4, 5. 56 plus 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. 39 divided by 12. 56 plus 39, how much? 9 plus 6, 15. Remainder 1, 8, 9. 95 divided by 12 is your answer. Did you understand? Okay. Now see the next one, M sum. It is denominators are same. So numerator, see, it is 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is what? 9. So 9 by 5 is your answer. So here you take if you take LCM, you will get 6. So 3 into 2, 4 into 2, 2 into 3, 1 into 3. 4 2s are 8 minus 3 divided by 6. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So 5 by 6 is your answer. So the first sum, which is a very big sum, is completed. Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum, which is a word problem. Okay, Sarika bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. So Sarika is buying some meter of ribbon and Lalita is buying some meter of ribbon. Okay, what is the total length of ribbon they bought? What is the total length they bought? They are asking. So what you have to do means total length. Total means which is nothing but addition. You have to add both the fractions. Okay, 2 by 5 meter of a ribbon plus 3 by 4 meter of a ribbon. In above this, you can write Sarika brought ribbon equal to 2 by 5. Lalita brought ribbon equal to 3 by 4. That and all you can write. I am just simply solving. Otherwise, wait, we can write. Sarika bought ribbon equal to 2 by 5 meter. Lalita bought ribbon is equal to 3 by 4 meter. Total ribbon brought equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Denominators are different. They have to cross multiply. 5 and 4 will not go in same table. So you can cross multiply directly. 5 4s are 20. So 5 into 4 gives you 20. 2 into 4. 4 into 5 gives you 20. So 3 into 5. 2 4s are 8 divided by 20 plus 3 5s are 15 divided by 20. 15 plus 8. It is 23, right? 23 divided by 20 is your total meter Bought by Sarika and Lalita. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Your next word problem. Naina was given 1.5 piece of cake. Okay. Naina was given how much piece of cake? Naina's cake is equal to 1.5 piece. Okay. Najma was given 1/3 piece of cake. So Najma's cake is equal to 1/3. You have to find the total amount. Total amount, if they give, means it is nothing but addition. Okay. Of cake given to both of them. So your total cake to both of them given to both of them is equal to 1/2 plus 1/3. Before that, before writing this, you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3/2. That is how you will do, means here multiply, here plus. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1. Okay. 3/2. Here 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4/3. Okay, so I am writing it same here. 3/2 plus 4/3. You can cross multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 2 4s are 8, divided by 2 3s are 6. 8 8 16, 17/6 piece of cake was the total cake given to Naina and Najma. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sum. I will resolve the third sum again in the last of this topic because it went wrong somewhere, some calculation mistake. Okay, I will resolve it in the last of the video. Now we will see the fourth sum. Box minus 5/8 equal to 1/4. So what you have to do, you have to keep the box as such. Minus 5/8, if it comes this side, it will become plus 5/8. So you take LCM for 4 and 8 means 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, again 2, 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, again 2, 1, 1. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 is a LCM. So into 2, here 8 into 1 is 8, here into 1. So 2 plus 5 divided by 8. Okay, that is nothing but 7/8. So in the box what it will come? 7/8 is your answer. That will come in the box. Okay. Next, see this sum. Keep the box as such and then bring 1/5 this side. It will become plus 1/5. Cross multiply. 5 plus 2 divided by 5 to 10. That is 7/10. So, okay, 7/10 minus 1/5 gives you 1/2. So in the box 7/10 will come. That's your answer. Okay. Now see keep the 1/2 here and bring the 1/6 this side. Minus 1/6 is equal to box. Minus box goes to this side means plus box. So 6, you take LCM for 2 and 6. 2, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Again 3, 1, 1. So your LCM is 6. Okay. So 2 into 3 gives you 6. 1 into 3. Here into 1 into 1. So 3 minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to box. That is 2/6 is equal to box. Okay. That is 1/3 is equal to box. This is your answer. Okay, with this fill in the blank boxes is completed. Next we will see the next sum. So this is your next sum. You have to complete the addition subtraction box. Nothing, only the addition and subtraction of fraction is given in the box. Okay, you have to complete it. See 2/3, 4/3. If it goes this side means you have to add. If it comes column wise means you have to subtract. Row wise means add, column wise means subtract. Okay. So 2/3 plus 4/3 how much? 6/3 is your answer. Okay. Hope it is visible, right? Yes. Next 1/3 plus 2/3 it is 3/3. That is nothing but 1. Now come this side. 2/3 minus 1/3. I am going column wise so that I am subtracting. 2/3 minus 1/3 it is 1/3. 4/3 minus 2/3 it is 2/3. 6/3 minus 3/3 it is 3/3, again 1. Okay, now in case of the B sum, the denominators are different. You have to calculate it here and then put in the box. Okay, 1/2 plus 1/3. 1/2 plus 1/3 is equal to 3 plus 2 divided by 6. That is equal to 5/6. So 5/6 is your answer. 1/3 plus 1/4. 4 plus 3/12, that is 7/12. 7/12 is your answer. Hope you understand. Next sum 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. That is 3 minus 2 by 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 6 is your answer. Okay. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 3 divided by 12, that is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is your answer. Here again 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. 5 by 6 minus 7 by 12. We take LCM 6, 12, 2, 3 to 6. You should not take 6 table because you have to take the least common multiple. So you have least one only you should take. Okay, 2, 3 to 6, 4 3s are 12. Sorry. 3 to 6, 6 to 12. Again 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Again 2, 1, 1. 2 to 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 12 is your answer. So you multiply by 2, 6 into 2 is 12. So 10 minus 7 by 12. 10 minus 7 is what? 3 by 12. 3 by 12 is your answer. If you simplify, 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. 1 by 4 is your answer. So that's all this box sum. Now we will move on to the next word problems. So next sum. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. So a piece of wire, it is 7 by 8 meter long. Okay, it is broken into 2 pieces. Okay, so one piece is 1 by 4 meter long. One piece they gave us 1 by 4 meter long. You have to find how long is the other piece. Remaining part of the other piece you have to find. Okay, so total piece of wire equal to 7 by 8. Okay, and then one piece equal to 1 by 4. Remaining part you have to find. So remaining means what you will find out? Subtraction. So 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. You take LCM for 4 and 8. 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. Again 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 4. Again 2, 1, 1. So 2 to 4, 4 to 8 is your LCM. Okay. So 7 into 1 divided by 8 into 1 minus 1, 4 into 2, 1 into 2. So 7 minus 2 divided by 8. 7 minus 2 is what? 5 by 8. So the remaining part is how much? 5 by 8. One part is 1 by 4 and the other part is 5 by 8. If you add this both 1 by 4 and 5 by 8, you can, the LCM is 8. So into 2 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 divided by 8, you get 7 by 8. That is the total piece. Just for checking I am saying, because this addition of these two is total 7 by 8. Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. Nandini house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. So Nandini house distance from school. How much? 9 by 10. Okay, and then she goes by bus for half kilometer to reach the school. By bus, how much kilometer? Half kilometer. How far did she walk? So some distance she is walking, right? So some distance is given from the school. Okay, and then some distance she is walking. Some distance she is going by bus. That some distance she walked, that is they are asking. So if you subtract these two, you will get some distance she walked. Okay, so 9 by 10 distance walked. 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. If you take LCM for 2, 1, 10, 2, 1 to 2, 5 to 10, and 5, 1, 5. So it is 10. LCM is 10. So 9 into 1 divided by 10 into 1 minus 2 into 5 gives you 10, 1 into 5. So 9 minus 5 divided by 10. So that is 9 minus 5 is 4 by 10. That is nothing but 2 to 4, 5 to 10, 2 by 5. Okay, 2 by 5 distance she is walking. Okay, otherwise 4 by 10 distance she is walking. Okay, now we will move on to the next sum. So your word problem. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size party filled with books. Okay. They are having same size bookshelf. Okay, Asha and Shyam. So Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full. So Asha's shelf, how much it is full? 5 by 6 full. Okay. Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5 full. Okay. Whose bookshelf is more by what fraction? Whose bookshelf is more with books they are asking, and by what fraction they are asking. So Asha's shelf, we have to compare 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. In order to compare two fractions, the denominator must be equal. So we are going to take LCM for 6 and 5. If we take LCM for 6 and 5, it will go in the same, go together in the same table. So 6 5s are 30 is your LCM. So 5, that is 6 into 5, here also into 5, 5 into 6, here also into 6. Okay, so 5 5s are 25 divided by 30, comma, 2 6 are 12, 12 divided by 30. So who, 25 is greater or 12 is greater? 25 is greater. So 25 is whom? 5 by 6, Asha. Asha's bookshelf is greater than Samuel's bookshelf. Okay. Now by what fraction they are asking? So if you subtract 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30, you will get the answer, right? 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. 13 by 30. So by 13 by 30 fraction, Asha's bookshelf is greater than Samuel's. Hope you understand. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. Jaider takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. So Jaider's time to walk equal to 1 by 5. Okay, that you multiply mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 by 5. Okay, Rahul's time to walk, that is 7 by 4. That is already improper fraction, so need not convert. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So you have to compare these two. Okay, you have to compare these two. Same like previous sum, 11 by 5. Okay, compared with 7 by 4. 5 4s are 20 is your LCM. So cross multiply 4 into 5 into 5. 44 divided by 20. 5 7s are 35 divided by 20. So who is taking less time? 35 by 20. Rahul is taking less time. Now you, by what fraction they are asking? So subtract 44 minus 30, 35 divided by 20. 9. So 9 is your answer. 9 divided by 20. Okay. 1 minute. So 9 by 20 is your answer. 9 by 20 minutes. Rahul takes lesser time. And by what fraction means? By 9 by 20 minutes. Okay. So now we will move on to that one sum. I said no, I did a mistake. We will see that sum now. So already we saw the sum. Naina is taking 1.5 piece cake and Najma is taking 1 by 3 piece of cake. They are asking total piece of cake. So you have to convert it to mixed improper fraction. 2 into 1, so 3 by 2. Here 3, 4 by 3. So 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. Okay. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 3s are 6. So 8 plus 9, it is 17 by 6. 17 by 6 is the total piece of cake. If you want, you can leave the improper fraction as such. Otherwise, unless and otherwise they mention in the question convert into mixed fraction, you have to represent the answer in mixed fraction. I am leaving it as such. Okay. If you want, I will convert it and show. 6 17. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So 2 6 are 12. Remainder 7 minus 2, it is 5. So how you will write? 2 5 by 6 piece of cake. Okay, so this is an answer. So with this exercise 7.6 is completed. I'm totally tired. Okay, so if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell button. Please do share with your friends. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your valuable time. Bye.